Yeah.
See, it sounds great when we say it like that, right? Sounds amazing.
Yeah, but it's years and years and years of practice and repetition.
The thing is, right, as well, it's not just that's most important, of course, but it's equally understanding, which we'll go into on the podcast, no doubt, or have at this point. It's so hard. It's like Inception. But what I'm getting at, sorry, is just like the mental capital and fatigue and energy to be as dialed in as you've been over the last few months, and just generally as a trader, so not even just the last few months, but you had a goal the last few months, so there was a real focus on a higher level than usual. But even then, I know on a day-to-day, when you're trading and actively trading, you're always like that anyway. And that's the most important thing
For
to
me,
highlight.
the focus really comes from having a strategy that's simple, that you can understand, that you don't have to think a lot about. Because all my mental capital is going into trade management. I'm not thinking so much about the analysis. The analysis is very easy. For me, when I look at this, I know it's going to go to those equal lows. Right? At least I have a very good idea that it's going to go to those equal lows.
Yeah.
The rest of it is just trade management and risk management.
But
That's where the brain power goes.
that confidence comes not only from the reps you've done, but also, as you said, keeping it simple, but also having that foundation that you started with, of understanding the liquidity aspect, right? Because then if you know, hey, X liquidity has already been taken from one side, that's where your confidence comes from to then tack the other side.
Exactly,
right?
or inefficiency. So here, this is a great example because we have this sell side inefficiency, right? We've already ran out that level of liquidity here. This is I'm pretty sure there's a 4-hour chart. Okay, so this is a situation where I'm swing trading this example. But if this were to appear on the intraday chart, I would trade it the same way. I would trade it the same exact way. It's just your time horizon has to be a little bit different, right?